It's the Travel OG. Another episode of Caddy of the Day, but I got a question. Can your caddy do this? Get it, baby.
I didn't hear you. Okay.
I can't make this shit up.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. So many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
Hello there, and welcome to a special Father's Day edition of Caddy of the Day. Shout out to all the fathers, grandfathers, and baby daddies around the world. Today, we're going to visit a few of our favorite caddies, all wrapped up and put together in one nice little bow. 3 different caddies from 3 different courses. Let's start with one of my favorite courses and caddies, Wild Thing. Okay. Wild Thing is an excellent caddy. She's more than just a pretty face with an action figure body. She's an experienced caddy who knows the course. Say quoi? Tong means straight, you guys. All right, hold the camera for me for tong for one. She's also my camera assistant, and she knows how to get the shot. Missed it by that much. Part of the thrill of playing golf with these amazing caddies is how they get into the game. It doesn't feel like they're just working. They're a part of the experience. We'll get back to Wild Thing later. On to the next course.
Oh, beautiful.
She be talking Thai. Talk Thai, baby.
เสียใจมากเลยไม่ได้เบอร์ดี้
Yeah, you heard what she said. Birdie. Y'all know what happens with the birdie. Birdie get caddy. But my caddy Gua. Gua
ไม่
means
กลัว
scared.
ไม่กลัว
Gua, you Gua.
ไม่กลัว
You thinking?
จริงๆไม่กลัว
Gua means scared. She said she
ไม่
not
กลัว
scared.
ไม่พัดเบอร์ดี้ no power
Ah, she said I'm scared. Next time I'm gonna get a birdie though. You better I'm gonna get a birdie.
โอเค
I have been all over Thailand playing golf. I've seen every shape, size, and color here, and I can honestly say this is the sexiest caddy of them all. The way she walks, the way she carries the clubs, the way she playfully flirts, she carries herself with class, and every situation, whether she is standing, setting up my putt, watching me hit the ball, or walking to the cart. She is 100% of the time in her femininity, and that, my friends, makes her the sexiest caddy in Thailand. Tap into the comments and let me know if you agree or disagree. But for now, I present to you Exhibit A. Tell them your name. What's your name?
my name Tip
Tip. You understand that? That's Tip. You get on the tip.
yes
Hey.
then big tip
Hey, she say big tip. Throughout the day, I can't take my eyes off her. An alluring smile, a sweet demeanor, and a mean walk. Let's ask her a few personal questions. So, you beautiful. You married?
no
You single? Go.
ไม่โกหกจริงๆ
She's single. She's beautiful. You have babies? How many?
I have one baby
One baby? How old?
but 7
Oh, you got a little baby. You got a little Ninoy baby. Father Falang or Father Thai? As we race the sun to finish the round, we still have a few more caddies to play with. And don't forget to join the Zoom to Thailand Patreon. Patreon members, wait till I show you guys this, man. To me, this is the sexiest caddy in Thailand. I tried to send it to you guys live, but I can't get internet over here. The only reason where else, you know I'll be lighting y'all up right now. You already know. My caddy said, par boom boom, par boom boom.
พาบูมบูม
Hey, you hear that? You know what I'm saying? You get rewarded out here when you do good on the golf course. Tell them one more time, par boom boom. Hey, tell them par boom boom. Throw it, dog. Go throw them flatbacks.
ซิงเกิลมัม
Single mom, you hear that? Hey, y'all both hot single moms. Hey, yeah. She a single mom, y'all. What y'all think? This how she had the baby right here. She know how to throw it too. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to give y'all the information, pricing, and rundown for Zoom Fest 2024. 12 days, 11 nights, 2 or 3 cities, depending on your package, 1 special island, and embracing the thrill of a lifetime. This is a private annual event for my Zoom tribers and subscribers. Choose any 1 of 3 packages that can fit your lifestyle. First, we got the Ballin' on a Budget package, a no-frills way to enjoy the beauty of Thailand. The Ballin' on a Budget package comes with non-stop activities, transportation from the airport to your hotel in Bangkok, as well as a trip with the Travel OG from the Bangkok to Pattaya. Although this is our most basic package, it still includes non-stop activities, a 3 or 4-star hotel stay on or near the beach, as well as your own custom-made Zoom to Thailand shirt, 3 massages, and a haircut at Suni's Barbershop. Packages starting at $52.99. Military and Patreon members get an additional 5% off of this package. Next, we got the Hangover package. For those who want to go on a wild ride and have the option of visiting the Philippines as well as Thailand, in this package, you have the option of sharing a room with a buddy for the double occupancy rate, or you can have the Hangover package all to yourself. This is our most popular package, so make sure you get your plenty of rest and eat your Wheaties, you dig? The Hangover package also includes transportation to and from the airport, a tailor-made suit, or an outfit of your choice, of the material of your choice with your name on it, as well as a matching tie, pocket square, and a custom-fitted shirt with your initials on the sleeve. But that's not all. You'll also have exclusive entrance to the private yacht party, 4- and 5-star hotel stays in the Philippines, as well as Bangkok and Pattaya. But there's more. You'll also have access to the private dinner symposium where you can meet and speak directly with Thai lawyers, real estate agents, and professionals giving you the latest and greatest info on starting a business, extended stays, moving, or retiring in Thailand. To me, this is the best part of the package, starting at $59.99 for the double occupancy rate. For those of you who are used to the finer things in life and you enjoy your privacy, this package is for you. The James Bond Executive Platinum Package. This package includes just about everything with all the bells and whistles. 5-star hotel stays at the best hotels in the Philippines, Bangkok, and Pattaya. You also have the option of an additional stay at the private island, and you have access to exclusive private events only included in the James Bond Platinum Executive Package. You'll also have the option of private transportation to all major events. You'll have the option for 3 tailored suits with the material of your choice with Lucky Tailor, one of the best in Pattaya. Lucky Tailor will come to your room for your initial fitting. But wait, there's more. On top of everything included in the Hangover package, in the James Bond package, you also have your own personal money penny, aka concierge service person, to pick you up from the airport and any additional questions that you might have, and will be on call for your first few days in Thailand. This is all included with the James Bond package, by the way. But there's more. If you decide to extend your stay in Thailand past your 30-day visa, we will arrange your visa extension through Thai immigration at no additional cost. And finally, on your last night in Bangkok, you will take a trip on the Chao Phraya River for a dinner night cruise for you and a guest. All of this is included in the James Bond Executive Platinum Package. And of course, all packages come with a private one-on-one consultation with the Travel OG, so I can help you fine-tune your trip for maximum results. The price for the James Bond Executive Package is $89.99. Now, make sure to get your tickets early. Flight tips and taxes are not included. But in the consultation, I'll even help you with your flight arrangements. We also offer additional services, such as arranging your own private yacht party and any other special requests you might have. So what are you waiting for? Payments can be made through PayPal or Cash App, Zoom to Thailand. Part of the proceeds will go to a charity here in Thailand, and if you have any other questions, email us, zoomtothailand@gmail.com. Zoom Fest 2024, let's get it! And last but not least, we can't forget one of our crowd favorites, the famous cinnamon tie. Say, I got booty.
I got booty.
But you gotta look at us and say that to everybody in America looking at you. Look right here and say, I got booty. Hey. Why do you think they like you so much in America? Why? Why dumb man like you so much in America? Why you Caddy? Why?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know?
Why? I'm asking why.
You asking me why?
Why?
Because they like down color. They like your hair. They like the tooth. They like the legs. You got that look.
ร้อน
You long?
ร้อนมาก
มาก
เขาบอกว่าเธอจะไปสอนภาษาไทยใช่ไหมกุสานเธอจะไปทำกับข้าวให้ฉันกินไหมกุสาน
I don't know what they said, but I like it. What they say in Thai, I like the way.
เราจะดูแลเธอที่สุด
Hey, talk that Thai talk.
แนนเขาถามว่าไปกินหมูกระทะด้วยกันไหมกุสาน4 คนเลย
Talk that Thai talk, baby.
อะไรคะ มี
Yeah.
ใครทอล์กอยู่
We like the Thai talk. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys, give you guys a quick Thai lesson, man. Y'all gotta understand this, man. The words, if you don't say it perfect, if you don't say it perfect, it don't work. Now, there's 2 words that sound exactly the same. One is pork, wait a minute,
Okay.
and one is snake. Now watch this. How do you say pork?
หมู
How do you say snake?
งู
Wait, hold on. What say pork?
How do you say pork?
หมู
How do you say snake?
งู
Like new?
You try it.
Moo for pork. Snake,
yeah.
new.
งู
No.
yes
What?
pork หมู snake งู
No.
งู
No.
No.
เอ็นจี
No.
เอ็นจี
No.
See?
No.
งู
No.
งูหมู
Moo.
งู
No.
See?
It's
We-
almost
it sound the
it's
same
almost
to
like
us.
It's like almost like a gulp, like no. No.
Say it, baby. Okay. Say pork.
หมู
Say snake.
งู
See.
Say pork.
หมู
Say snake.
งู
See.
Now watch us. Moo.
snake
Moo.
อืม
I did it?
Good.
yes
Good. See, but you can't do it all the time. Moo.
Moo.
งูงูงู
No.
งูงู
No. No. No.
All right, I get it. And we're at the end. Caddy of the day. You don't have to do that. I'll pick up. It's too heavy for you. Caddy of the day. It's okay. Look at this, man. This is how they treat you out here, man. This is Caddy of the day at Pattaya Country Club. Caddy 206. Lek, don't forget. Don't forget to look for Lek when you get done. And that just about does it for this episode of Caddy of the Day. I'm Thurston McMyer III, and I wish you and all of your family a happy baby daddy day. And since you made it to the end, make sure to subscribe, hit the notifications to all, and when you decide to visit Thailand, make sure to email me to play a round of golf with the Travel OG. Restrictions apply. Email us at zoomtothailand@gmail.com. Make sure to leave a comment in the comment section of which caddy you like and which caddies you'd like to see more of. And with that being said, my friends, you know what's coming next, right? Theme music!
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
If you want to go on a golf date, make sure to email me at zoomtothailand@gmail.com and type golf date in the subject matter. Also, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. Put the notifications to all, because you never know when we might do a pop-up in the middle of Thailand. You dig? All right, so one of you lucky Patreon members is going to get a chance to meet or say hello to Beer. Because my Patreon members rock with me hard, so I'm going to make sure I pay y'all back. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure you say hello. Make sure you're polite.
Hello.
Yeah. You single? Oh.
50-50
Oh, she 50-50. Well, y'all get a 50-50 chance of talking to her then. She might be a player.